Yeah, I just decided to give you some help on the homework. Maybe just one problem at a time, but keep looking out for the answers. Now, this question talks about two cars sliding across a horizontal frictionless surface, and their masses are given, and you can see that the momentum of one of them is 100 before, and after collision it's 40. So that's the momentum before and that's the momentum after for one of them. And you're asked to find the velocity of car number 2 before the collision. So I'm going to use P1F and P1I. F stands for final and I stands for initial. Same thing. So P1F, the first car, momentum is given, so we can find its velocity. That's the final. Final is 40 and the mass is 16 kilograms. So you get 2.50 meter per second. Now we do know that after the collision, both of them are coupled together and moving together, so they have the same final velocity. Therefore, the second one also has a final velocity of 2.50 meter per second. So now we can find out the final momentum of the second one. Just multiply 2.50 with its mass 48 kilograms. So that gives 120 kilogram meter per second. So that's the final momentum of the second object. Now the initial momentum of the first plus the initial momentum of the second must be equal to the final momentum of the first plus the final momentum of the second. That is the law of conservation of momentum. Now the initial momentum the initial momentum of the first one is 100. So 100 plus second one, we do not know its initial momentum, but we can find it out because on the right side you know both of it. Okay, 40 and 120. So from that, when you add these two, you get 160 minus 100 is going to give you 60. So now we know the initial momentum of the second object. But momentum is the product of mass and velocity. So from that, we can now find the velocity of the initial velocity actually of the second object. Because we know P2I is 60 and its mass is given as 48. You divide that, you get 1.25 meter per second. So that's the answer. Be on the lookout for more answers, one at a time. Thank you.